sorry. It's all that you can say. Years gone by and still words don't come easily. Like sorry, like sorry. Forgive me.